Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Technoc Reviews. Today, I'm going to show you best PCP air compressor in 2025. Don't forget to activate the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. The Tuxing TX-60 portable air compressor is a game-changer for CP airgun and scuba tank enthusiasts, offering unmatched versatility and convenience. Its unique vertical design with a built-in wire spool not only ensures hassle-free cable management, but also enhances portability, making it ideal for use at home or in the field. Powered by either a 220-110 AC outlet or a 12V car battery, it provides flexibility for any environment. With a robust built-in cooling system, it eliminates the need for external water or oil, ensuring efficient and reliable operation. The compressor's impressive inflating speed, reaching up to 2,700 RPM with an output of 11 lumen, makes it perfect for quick and efficient refills. Enhanced safety features, including an adjustable pressure gauge, safety valve, and oil-water separator, ensure clean and dry high-pressure air for CP rifles, pistols, and paintball tanks.